Hello, my dear friends. Today I'm going to show you how to solve this nice Olympiad question. So you have been given x equal 1 minus square root of 5, and we have been asked to find the value of this mathematical expression. So I'm not going to directly substitute the x value to this one because it's going to be really hard. Here we need to find x to power 4, which means 1 minus square root to power 4, and here we need to find x to power 3, it mean 1 minus square root 5 to power 3 is going to be really hard. Therefore, instead of directly substitute the x value, I'm just going to simplify this expression first. So x to power 4 minus 4 times x to power 3 plus 4 times x square equal, here we can see x square is a common factor. I'm going to take the common factor out, x square. Then here we got a square minus 4x plus 4. This is equal x square times this one. We can rewrite this one as x minus 2 square. We know that a minus b square equal a square minus 2 times ab plus b square. So we apply same theory here. So now s square times x minus 2 square. We can rewrite this one also, x times x minus 2 to the power 2. So now I can substitute x value here. X equal 1 minus square root 5. So this will become 1 minus square root 5 times 1 minus square root 5 minus 2 to the power 2. Now I'm going to simplify inside this one. 1 times 1, 1. So now I can simplify this one further. 1 minus square root of 5 times 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus square root 5 to the power 2. Now I can expand this bracket here. 1 times minus 1 minus 1. 1 times square root of minus 5. Square root of minus 5. Square root of minus 5 times minus 1 plus square root 5. And minus square root 5 times minus square root 5 plus 5. Now this is going to be cancelled. Minus 5 square root 5 times plus square root 5 plus 5 minus 1 plus 4. 4 to the power 2. Our final answer is 16. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy solving this maths problem.